Alright, after a nice day of mining, let's go up my nice little treehouse-ish thing. Shows how rich I am, Okay, let's see. Alright, now that I'm finally home, I didn't really actually get any rewards. Put my elytra on, maybe. Maybe I might fly around, I don't know. Let me open my window. Wait, what? America. I thought this was the UK. I thought I was in the UK. Is that America? Hold up, I gotta go check this out. Put on my armor just to be careful. Crap, I don't know if I have any swords, so I don't think I do. It's fine though. What is this thing? This looks like a 9/11 thing, because, like, you kind of see, like, there, the two, like, things representing the Twin Tower. Whoa. But, holy crap, this thing's impressive. I wonder if I can get inside of it. Maybe I can shoot up here and get inside? Okay, so it doesn't look like there's any interior designing. It does look like they may have screwed something up down here. Yeah, it looks like you were supposed to be able to get inside, but you can't anymore because this flag thing. What if I just... Sorry, America. And then I bang. I can, like, I don't know, do something like that. And just... Ooh! Whoa, look at the view. Wait, I wonder if I can see my house from... I can. Look at my house. Look how pretty it is. But holy crap, this is probably the most American thing I've ever seen in my life. Even more than America itself. Wait, what's on top of the... I swear I could loot this for all it has. Like, if I go look at it from my view, it looks like just a small tower from, like, in the middle of nowhere. Wait, is there something below it? There is! What's down here? Whoa, whoa! That's certainly... This thing is certainly something else. Whatever the heck this is. Is there even a safe way down to get my stuff? I don't know if there is. I don't know if I can even make some of these jumps. Ooh, okay, I am dangerously low. Let me... I'm dead. Okay, at least my stuff's closer to the bottom. Now I know a safe route down. What even is this thing, though? Alright, if I can... Maybe I can go... No, that's too far of a jump. If I... No! Okay, somehow I survived that. This is where I died. This was where I just died at. So let me... Nothing above me. I can jump over here and over here. And then I don't know. Maybe if I break that, I can, like, jump onto it. Fortunately, granite's easier to break than stone, so this shouldn't take that long. There we go. Okay, I made it. Now I'm in a better situation. Now I can just go... And then... Holy crap, how far down does this stuff go? gonna have to jump. Now I have boots. You know, gotta get those Yeezys. Alright, this is gonna help me so much now that I have my pickaxe back. Now I can kinda like mine my way down. But not right under me. That is certain death. Okay. Now I can get... Ooh, now I can get some blocks and just go... Okay. If I just keep branching down, I can make it. And I'm down. Now I can get my armor back. And maybe even make my way out of here. Let's try it out, I guess. Avoided. Let's go. We made it out alive. Almost dead. We're missing some items like, you know, a stack of fireworks, our chest plate. But you want to know the funnest part about that? Let me land. Not died again. Not dead. No, not dying. Anyways, I think my bed didn't even set my spawn, so that's kind of a yikes. So, the reason I say it's no worries is because I have another set of armor here, I have some armor here, I have some stuff here. Not only that, but if I need to... You're kidding. Where even is my house? Oh, there it is. Give me another second to make it back. Anyways, also guys, subscribe to the channel. We're 1 subscribe away from 40. I might do a special then. Not sure, so hit that subscribe button also. And I might even make another statue. That's actually my handiwork, just saying. Oh, a doggy! Hey doggy, come here, Poop. Poochie. I was petting it, so it didn't hurt me. It's a nice dog. Alright, let's go. There's my home. I should be able to hit my stuff right here. Yep, there we are. Some of my stuff probably went down the mines. That could be dangerous. I don't know though. Let's go. Yeah, I definitely lost some stuff. I wish I could like fly down here. I should probably make a 2-wide path. Yoink. Where'd he go? What? I wonder if I can like I can't. I was hoping I could like jump off the ladder and fall. Anything down here? Anything down? Okay, I lost my boots. Oh well. But point is, I can go all the way down here and mine for days on end. Ooh. And if I need to, I can make a quick escape. And then just try to make a soft entrance this time. Okay. I don't even know where some of my gear is from this death. Yeah, I lost some gear, like my boots. Oh, there they are. I think that was the only thing I was missing. Yeah. Hey. No, catch. I just ladder clutched. Anyways, yeah, guys. America right now is going through some tough stuff. You know, Verizon people, I know what you're going through. That sucks that, you know, you're getting some channels cut. All I can say is hold tight. You know, they're probably gonna get... It's just like a small speed bump, if you know what I mean. And also, go America. This was supposed to be done for 9/11, but I wasn't able to finish the build in time. And I'm so sorry I haven't been uploading. I've been really busy. I mainly try to upload on weekends now. I just happen to have the day off. Anyways, yeah, guys. Thanks. Yeah, I died 3 times.